Hey, what's up guys, my name is Joey and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your brand assets in Robosell. So first, go to the brand assets section. If it's your first time here, you will need to go through our onboarding process. So now, upload your brand logo. For this demonstration, I will be using the Robosell logo. Next, choose a theme that best matches your brand, and I will go with the light blue one. After that, set up your social links for your brand. You can add as many as you want, and I will add our Facebook page link. Now click the Generate button. Robosell will generate email content based on the information you have provided and your store information from Shopify. So just wait a few moments and you can preview the email in the panel. And keep in mind that all emails you see here are exactly what Robosell will send to customers. You can update your brand assets across several dimensions, including your logo, theme, color, font, and social links. And you can click Save to choose which part of the adjustment should be saved to your target tactics. And if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can click the Restore button to revert all settings to the last moment you entered this page. So now go to Automation to check what you just generated and saved. If everything looks good, you can turn on the switch and the automation will start running. So that's it. If you have any problems using Robosell, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.